Hi guys, I'm now here in Vivo SMC side and I will update you with the prices of their phones. So ayan guys, ito yung new nila, the V50 with 50 megapixels and they're using this all main for their camera. So for the Vivo V50, pwede mo siyang ilubog sa tubig. Pwede mo siyang ipasok sa bulsa mo kapag naliligo ka sa dagat. Sa swimming pool, sa mga fresh water lang, not sa mga salt water. So for the Vivo V50 camera, walang pagbabago, ito pa rin yung price nila. So may 27,999 and they have 30,999. It depends sa internal storage and sa RAM. Ito yung back niya guys, napaka lightweight ng Vivo V50. Very elegant, very classy, and very lightweight. 5G na siya guys, co-engineered with this. Ang gaan niya guys. So ito yung specification sa Vivo V50. So they have lavender, and they have gray. Napaka-gaan guys, I like it. Kung may pera lang, try to check this out. Vivo V50. Maganda yung specification naman. With the X200, ito naman yung presyohan. Ito yung kanyang front, yung side and back. Very lightweight. This pa din yung ginamit sa camera. Ano ba ito? Maganda sana kapag try tayo. For the Vivo V50 Lite, ito yung kanyang presyo. I haven't tried Vivo but I think maganda naman yung mga phones ng Vivo. Ito yung side, the back for the Vivo 50 Lite. This is the Vivo 40 Lite, price 13,999. They have 15,999 and 18,999.